Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class we saw how to add the records. In this class I am going to teach how to view the records and edit and delete the records, right? So let's what I am going to do is first I am going to load the records, right? Let's go to the source. Here I am going to create the method. So we have right here public void load. Here I am going to load the student records. So I have already written the code. So let me change the code. Right. Now let's copy and paste it. So here we have to do the fish. We have to try. Right. We have to just copy and paste it. Control X cut off. Control V paste it. Right. Okay. This is the thing. You have to write the code, right? If I write it step by step, it takes too much of time to complete the project, so that I have already written here. This one RS, so we have to create the RS object here. Don't worry, I will extend it, right? So here we have to add the import the package, right? That's the thing, import the vector, right? Now here, what I am going to do is here, first I am going to return the prepare statement. It asks to generate the try and catch. You will be able to generate it. After that, we have to create the result set object RS equal prepare statement execute code. We have to write this, run the code, right? What is the table you are going to load the record? I am going to load the record from which table? Student table. This is a table, right? Student. So student. This all the stuff are correct. We have to load it into J table 1, this J table 1. So here while loop, we have to write the vector, we have to write the for loop. Here have to specify the column names here. What are the column names here? This one, ID, ST name, phone, address and age. So we have to write here ID, ST name, phone and address, age. We have to write like this. We have to load it here. That's the thing we have to do. This one, this load method, Control C to copy. When the form is loaded, this method get loaded. That's the thing we have to write here. Right? Now let's right. That's all the stuff are correct. Now let's execute the program and check how to work with this one. It's working perfectly. All the records are displayed on the data table successfully. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to write a code for the edit and delete button. First, if you want to edit the record, select the row which you want to edit. Here, if you delete the record, you have to select the row which you want to delete, right? So what I am going to do is here, this is one, select the J table, right click, event action, here this one, mouse click, right? This event, you have to write the code, mouse click. Here we have to write the code here, is simple code. I already written this one. Instead of writing again by Control C copy, Control V paste here. Here, this one, you have to create the model class. This is a table model. I have created the default. This one we have to create the model, right? Model we have to we have to create the object D. Here we have to write, we have to create in selected index J table get selected row. Get selected row means this get selected row. J table 1 means this J table 1. We have to get selected means this each and every column we will be able to select, right? So here first you have to create the variable ID. First you have to selected 0 index mean this is the 0 1, this is a 1 2 3 4. This is how it J table works, right? If you select this one, this particular ID should be ID, right? 0 position, right? After that we have to write second one should be the, we have to assign the relevant text box for edit record, txt name, this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Second one should be the phone, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Third one should be the address, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Third one should be the age, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. So this is selected index, age. Right. This is the thing we have to do. This is a very simple stuff we have to do the things. Why? What is the error here? Variable D can't find variable selected index. So we have written, what's the problem? The problem is here I have written the wrong, right? Perfect, right? Now you can check here what happened is this add record. When you go into add the records, you have to disable this button 1. So you have this one should be button 1. So you have right here, this is button 1, you have disable. Right. Now let's run and check. If you click on this record, it is passing here. It's working. This one, it's working perfectly. You will be able to edit or delete the record. Now first I am going to select the record before you edit or delete the record. First I selected successfully. Now we will be able to write the code for edit record. So election action perform, we will be able to write the code for edit record. So let's copy the complete record. This complete record we have to copy. Paste here. Now here we have tried, this one should be there. We have tried this all the stuff we have to edit. Name, phone number, address and age. You have to get the ID. So ID means you have to get this ID, string ID, this one. You have to get the ID and edit. When you select this record, how to edit the record and delete the record, the ID, we need the ID of this student, right? Because ID should be the primary key. So get the ID and edit or delete the record. So this is the ID. But the ID is here. It is passed into the variable this. It's solved on the variable ID. We have to get it here. So we have to write ID here, right? This is not a this one. We have to, this one also we needed. Selected index. This is Control C to copy. This all the stuff we needed, right? Selected index, right? Only for ID, right? Okay, we have to write this code. We have to complete. We have to change as update. Which table you are going to update the record? Update from which table? Student table. Where update student table. Student set. First one should be the first question mark. Set first column should be the this one. ST name. Comma ST name equal question mark, comma phone number equal question mark, comma address equal question mark, comma age equal question mark, where ID equal question mark. That's the ID you have selected here, right? Now here we have to pass the another stuff is Control C to copy, Control V. This one 5. This one should be the ID. Control C to copy, Control V to get the ID and edit the record, right? That's the stuff here. Record edited. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Now let's check. Successful. So this work is successful. This one. Right. If you edit it, it's not. Again we have to load. You can check here. Here it's edited successfully. Now when we edited, the data table should load it. So how to load the data table? You have to call this one. This table. You have to this method Control C to copy. You have to call it after the record. Editor. This one should be the update. You have to call it. Then only it's work. After add the record, here you will be able to load the data. Right? That's the thing we have to do. After that, same the edit code. We Control C to copy back to the design. Double click on the delete button. You have to paste it. You have to paste here. Right? Now let's execute the program and check. Right? Sorry. Okay, we have to. We didn't do the delete part. We don't need these columns, all the stuff. We only get the ID and delete the record. So we only need ID only. Okay, we don't need these fields, age, all the stuff. Only the ID one. Okay, we have to write here. Your change is only delete from which table you are going to delete from which table? Student table. Where ID equals first ID coming here. It is put into here. score along with the question mark, it's deleted, record deleted. That's it. That's the task you have to do. After delete the record, here we have to enable this add button, right? If you edit the record, we have to enable this one, right? So here, what I am going to do is, this is the button name, this one, Control C to copy. This one we have to edit button, we have to call it here. After get the edit record message, this one make it as true. The same thing, Control C to copy. You have to put it here as well. Then only when you edit or delete the record, after complete this task, we will be able to get the message, right? Now let's run and check. Now I am going to add the record. Peter, phone number something like that, address India, age, add the record, record is added, it is coming. If you want to edit the record, click on this one, it will be able to edit the record, click edit button, here it's edited successfully, it's working successfully. What's edit Peter, right here it's working perfectly. Now if you delete the record, click on this one, delete it, here it's working perfectly well, right? Clear button, simply we have to write this simple code, only the clear codes we only paste it. Control C to copy, we have to this clear full clear code, this full clear code you have to paste it. Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be the clear, right? Why we are putting the clear code here is when you accidentally select the row, you can't do the choice at the anything you can't do it. You just press click clear, it is clear, right? Successfully, right? I hope you guys will understood the stuff well. I will continue in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.